Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
Welcome back to Cop with Cam. It all starts like any routine call. Officers respond to a reported disturbance at a quiet suburban home. Outside, a victim stands waiting, tense, explaining what happened moments before police arrived.
Charles, come outside!
The suspect remains inside, and tensions seem to build. The officer approaches, asking the suspect to come outside so they can sort things out.
Come outside! We just want to talk!
At first glance, it looks like this might escalate fast. Voices get louder, and the officer steps closer.
Oh, would you get down the steps and calm down? Okay, come on.
You gonna pull that bullet? If you gonna be honest, pull it.
Come
if you
on.
gonna kill a black man,
Why don't you
pull
come
it.
down here and tell us what the problem is?
Listen to what I'm saying to you. If you're not gonna listen to what I'm saying to you, and you're gonna listen to that radio, then be honest. Be honest with yourself. Before you tell him, before you hop on that radio, before you talk to him, see how I listen to him? He's not being honest with himself. I'm not drunk. I'm telling you the truth.
Well, then get out here and talk.
If you gonna kill me, kill me.
Somebody want to kill you, kill somebody, man.
I tell you the truth. I tell you the truth. I joined the military.
Okay, great.
I
Get down
joined
here.
it.
Look, man, there ain't no reason to get out here. Come down here. Come down here and talk.
Kill me then, nigga. Kill me then, nigga. Because he's being disrespectful. I'm talking to you. I'm not a 13,
Get
sir.
down here now.
I'm not a 13, sir. I'm talking to you, sir. You're being disrespectful.
Come on.
Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to him? Can I be this? Can I be respectful?
Come down. Get down here. Get down here
He's
so we
being
can talk.
disrespectful, sir. You came up honest. He's being disrespectful, sir. I'm trying to be honest. I'm not a 13, sir. I'm not a 13, sir. I'm not a 13, sir. Can you tell him?
So he's a 13?
Can you tell the nigga with the mask?
Get down here so we
I'm
can
not.
talk.
I'll get on my knees. I'm not. Listen to me. You touching me? If you touch me, I'm calling the police. No, I'm not. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. I'm a demon.
Relax.
Kill me. Kill me.
Relax.
Kill me then. Show my sons you gonna kill me. 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 Show me. Show me, nigga. Show me, nigga, bro. See how I take company y'all gonna tell me? Tell me. Look at me. Look me in my eyes.
Put your arms behind your back.
Look me in my eyes.
Put your arms behind your
Look me in
back.
my eyes. Tell my
Put your arms
sergeant
behind
how
your
you gonna
back.
kill me. Tell my sergeant. Tell my sergeant, bro. Tell my sergeant, bro.
But then, instead of a standoff, it turns into something you wouldn't expect. The officer starts playfully tossing snow at the suspect. What seems serious turns into an oddly human, even funny moment right there on the front lawn.
I really can't breathe. It's okay, sir. They lied on me. If you call the police, it's okay. You check my record. I have
Stay back.
conduct.
Stay back.
It's okay. Hey, Sergeant. Sergeant, tell them the truth. Tell them the truth, Sergeant. Tell them how they lied on me. I apologize, sir.
Viewers online were divided. Some saw it as lighthearted community policing, while others questioned if it was appropriate in the middle of an investigation. But no one can deny, it's moments like this that show officers are human too.
I ain't injured anywhere, man. No, sir.
All right, have a seat.
I couldn't breathe. I'm not injuring you.
Sit him there.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir. You got it? Yep. Okay. Can I get my phone to call my mother, please? Please, sir.